How's it going, everyone? My name is Rachel Angelo, and for those who don't know, this channel is all about spray painting. And today I have a video that's a little bit kind of personal towards me and my family. So recently, my uncle passed away, and my aunt wanted me to make a painting of him, kinda, except it's not going to be a portrait, because like I said in my other videos, I don't do portraits or anything like that. But today, I'm basically going to be doing the facial structure a little bit, but not as... You'll see what I'm talking about. I don't know what kind of paintings these are. The reason why I'm putting this video out there is because I know it hurts like for people to lose someone who's really important to them in their lives. If there's any of you guys that want me to make a painting like you see in this video based on the person who means everything to you, I will gladly do a painting like how you see in this video. So this painting is not gonna really look like a portrait. It's just gonna be, see, my Uncle Henry, he would wear a hat all the time, not a baseball cap, but what are the hell are those hats called? He would always wear a fedora, and he had a really thick mustache and eyebrows, and he always wore some kind of collared shirt. So that was just his style, and that's what I'm gonna be putting on a piece of it, just his style. It's not gonna be his face or anything. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, hit the like button, comment if you guys have a family member of yours that you would like me to make for you. I know it's hard losing someone like that, you know, and it's devastating. So I completely get it. Share with your friends and family. That would help me and my family a lot. And also subscribe to my channel if you like this content, because that would also help me and my family out a lot as well. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Let's get to painting. Let's get painting, guys. So, because my Uncle Henry is full-blooded Puerto Rican, we are going to be putting the Puerto Rican flag in the background, so... Just not too much, just very lightly, just to give it texture. So the Puerto Rican flag has a star in the center right here, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to put the star there, because my uncle, like I said in my intro, my Uncle Henry always wears a hat, and the hat might be covering pretty much the majority of the stars. So we'll see once we put the stencil on. Very light, very light. No, not too much. Don't want a whole lot. I like how it shows just a little bit of red. I should have done this on a piece of paper, but I think it'll be okay. Oh, wow. I think I can get the star on there, actually. yeah, wow, I can't believe how well this turned out. I'm really surprised. You know, we're gonna record without showing my face a little bit so I don't end up crying in front of the whole world like a little. But yeah, this is Henry, and if you guys have anything that you guys want me to make you guys specifically like this, please let me know. Send me a photo of that person. I'd be glad to spray paint it for you guys. But yeah, hit the like button if you guys like this video. Subscribe